Mayeni and Macele were complaining about Makumalo, that Makumalo, she want to feel like she is the only Musamseleku's wife, because Musamseleku can ask Makumalo to do some things for him. Makumalo can do for Musamseleku without complaining like other wives, especially Mayeni. Mayeni can't do things for Musamseleku without complaining. She is always complaining after complaining. Even Macele was jealous to see Makumalo and Musamseleku understand each other, or Makumalo want to be the best wife for Musamseleku. Musamseleku can struggle to ask his wives to do some of the things for him, but he knows that the person who can agree and do without complaining is Makumalo only. But they hate it because Mayeni hates a person who is understanding Musamseleku. That's why they are not in the same page with Macele. Macele was jealous of Makumalo. Maybe his sisters told Macele that Makumalo is taking your position, like Makumalo is the first wife, by the way she was doing her own things. Macele decided to leave Muzumbe and say she want to stay in Sipak. So the person who is staying near Musamseleku, because Makumalo's house in Muzumbe and Musamseleku, they are not far. So Musamseleku can ask things to Makumalo than to Macele, because the person who was supposed to do all those things is Macele than Makumalo. And they start blaming Makumalo, that Makumalo, you came after us. Why are you like, maybe you want to be Musamseleku's only wife, what? It was not fair the way they were doing to Makumalo, especially Mayeni. She want to be against Musamseleku all the time. She doesn't like a person who can understand Musamseleku to show him to struggle. We saw Musamseleku was sweeping in Muzumbe, that his house was very dirty in Muzumbe. That's why Mayeni likes, because now they understand each other with Makumalo, because Makumalo, she is no longer tolerating Musamseleku. That's why they're understanding each other. She doesn't want a person who can understand him. She wants a person who can go opposite to him every time. That's why Mayeni, she doesn't like Makumalo. And now is Macele. Macele is their enemy now, because Macele, now she is doing things Makumalo was doing to understand Musamseleku everything. Musamseleku now, when he told Macele that do something 1 2 3, Macele can do things, and Macele betrayed them, guys. Macele betrayed Mayeni and Magwabe because they think that they are in same page. The person who is not in same page with them is Makumalo. But Macele showed them that she can betray them to accept Makwela. Imagine, guys, the kind of being betrayed like that, like Macele betrayed them, and now Macele is always on Musamseleku's side. Now Makumalo is not, because Macele, she opened her eyes and saw that every time, even you look on season 1 to season 5, Macele was not in same page with Musamseleku like that. They are not close. The person who was close to Musamseleku is Makumalo, because Makumalo was agreed everything Musamseleku said than Macele, the first wife. There are people who told Macele, yes, sisters told Macele, that you have to be in same page with your husband, because that girl Makumalo is taking your position now, and she looks like she is the first wife. That Macele started changing her mind on season 6, season 7, to be on Musamseleku's side, to accept the wife number 5, because she started asking Musamseleku, you get the wife number 5, what? They are starting in same page, because Macele saw that Makumalo is taking her position. Makumalo is staying in Muzumbe. Macele is not staying in Muzumbe. It was Macele what she did, that Musamseleku's wives are staying in Muzumbe, and was the only person who was not staying in Muzumbe, and she called herself the first wife. It was not making any sense at all, what she is doing. So Macele's sisters told her that you have to change your mind to support Musamseleku everything. he is doing, you have to support him than Makhumalo, because Makhumalo is taking your position now.